You learn major scale, pentatonic scale, are using these scales to improvise, but then you ask yourself, what's the next scale that I need to learn to improvise? So today, let's talk about one very useful scale for you to improvise, create solos and melodies, which is the harmonic minor scale. Stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm Everton Zaquini, and beginning of 2021, so just starting again. I've been a few weeks that I'm not posting videos, but now let's come back and then new videos for you every week. So for you don't miss these lessons, remember to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and if you like the video, hit the like and share with your friends, and leave a comment here. I have this year to do videos for you, so let me know what topics that you want to know and things that you are struggling with that I can help you to improve. Okay, so this lessons is for you, and let's get into the video. So let's start to talk about the harmonic minor scale. Okay, the harmonic minor scale, it comes from the minor scale. We just will need to change one note. So it's important for you to know the minor scale, the formula, because we will just change one note. And instead of get all the patterns of the scale, let's do it this way. See how we can use this scale and get two patterns. That is very easy for you to practice. Basically, what we do here is that when you have a minor key, let's get C minor. When you play the C minor scale, you have first degree, second, minor third, fourth, fifth, minor sixth, minor seventh, and the root notes. And when you do the harmonic minor scale, we just change one note in the scale, which will be the seventh. So instead of we play the minor seventh, you play the major seventh in the minor key. So we have 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, and 7th, 8th. Major 7th, and the root note. So the harmonic minor scale is a very important and useful scale for you to learn. And you see several guitar players playing. Some of the examples is Yngwie Malmsteen or Santana. They use this scale. So for example, you see this scale on a song Smooth by Santana. So you have here, right in the beginning, the chords that will come from the scale. And also on the melody of the guitar. Another example of a song that uses a harmonic minor scale, Hotel California, on the chord progression here. Right here. Again. You see the characteristic of the harmonic minor, or the option for you to play in many songs. So the first thing, why we need to know. So first, because the harmonic characteristic. If you know how to build chords from the scale, if you get the minor scale and you build the triad or 4-note chords, when you build chords using the C minor scale, you will see that the first degree is minor, the fourth degree is minor, and the fifth degree is minor as well. So we have C minor first, F minor fourth, and G minor the fifth. But because of function, a harmonic function, what we're gonna do is to get the first degree, the fourth degree, and let's change one note here. Instead of we have the fifth degree minor, you make it a dominant chord to prepare for the first degree. So first minor, fourth minor, and the fifth major dominant to prepare to the first degree. This change from the fifth degree, the minor chord, which I have G minor, and it becomes major, I will change one note, the third. The minor third, which is B flat, you become B. And then I move back to C minor. So this B here, I will change also in the scale. So I have C minor, and the B flat, instead of I play B flat, I play B. I change the note from my G minor to a major third. I make the chord a dominant chord to prepare to C minor. So the same note that I change here on the harmonic minor scale, the B flat to B is the 7th degree of the scale, but on the G is the minor third. So it's a harmonic characteristic. That's why we call it harmonic minor, because of the function of the harmony. Now, let's talk about the harmonic function. The first way that it is good for you to use this scale. A very common usage is when you use in a 2-5-1 chord progression in a minor key. So here, let's keep using C minor. So the chord progression that we're going to use will be a 2, 5, 1, 2nd degree. So we have a 2. This chord is D minor 7, flat 5. Then the 5th degree, C major 7, the C dominant chord, to prepare to the 1st degree, C minor 7. So 2, 5, 1. So the shape of the scale that we're going to use will be these two here. We're going to see, starting on the string 5, the root note, so we have the first shape here. So there are different ways to play this pattern. I sometimes change the way I play it, but it depends how I approach, how you'll be improvise. It depends how you play the lick. So this pattern is a good one for you to start. You don't need to stretch too much your fingers. Now the next pattern will be with the root note on string 6. Now, how we apply it? So the idea here, you can start with the scale. So if you know the minor scale, it is important for you to visualize the difference between those two scales. So what I'm going to do when I'm improvising, you can apply over the 2nd degree and on the 5th degree the scale. Just when we finish here on C minor, we're gonna come back to minor scale. So the minor scale will be here. So you just need to change the 7th here to here. And then the 7th here, you'll be here. So you just change a few notes. Minor 7th, major 7th. Minor 7th, major 7th. And here, the major 7th that would be here, I will play here. Minor scale would be like this. So now, let's see when I will apply in an improvise. will see the harmonic minor in different genres. It's very common in Latin music, you see it in Spanish music, and there's different usage. You can use the scale for a harmonic function or as a modal function as well. It's very common we hear this sound in Spanish music. E, F, E. But this is a different approach, so we can think about the scale for the harmonic function and also use the modes of the scale. There I have the examples for you to see how it sounds, the scale, learn those two patterns and practice it with backing tracks. One tip for you to find backing tracks that you can use harmonic minor, try to find backing tracks where you have the first degree minor and the fifth degree major. Remember, if you are in the key of C, you have C, D, E, F, G. So G is your fifth degree. The fifth degree, it needs to be a major chord, a dominant chord, okay? So you can find different styles, but it is important for you to practice the scale first, visualize where you can change the minor natural to the harmonic minor. Because once you start to get the sound of the scale, it will be easier when you start to get the modal sounds that you can use just the harmonic minor scale. And another thing that will help you to get used to the scale, even that the harmonic scale is a scale that is very easy for you to identify, to get used to the sound, but it's good for you to find songs where they use it, it's on the melody or in the harmonic function. Lots of songs you have this major fifth degree to the minor one. That's the exercise for this week. Hope you enjoy it. Remember to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment here with topics and feedback. Your feedback is really important. Not only making these videos for you, but improving, do things differently. And also remember, hit the like. This way you'll be helping me to keep creating content for you. So thanks for watching. See you next time, guys.